Hey, I'm going to show you something that's actually really simple. What if you want to have overlapping containers? So at the moment, we've got container 1, we've got container 2, container 3, 4, 5, and then we go to 6 and 7. What if container 3, you want it to kind of stay there and you want number 4 and 5 to overlap it as you're scrolling? So 1 and 2 can stay as they are, but when you get to here, when I start to scroll down, I don't want this effect. I want container 4 to actually scroll over container 3. And then for container 5 to scroll over container 4 before you get to 6 and 7. It's really easy to do with just a bit of Z indexing and a bit of a sticky top. Here's what you do. You go to container number 3, go to the advanced tab, go to motion effects, go to sticky and set it to be top. While I'm here, I'm going to go to the layout and I'm going to give this a Z index of, let's just go and call it something like 90. Now let's go to container 4 and it's the same thing. Go to the advanced tab. Let's go and set the Z index for this to be 100, just so it's higher, obviously. Motion effects and sticky top. Then we go to container number 5. Again, the same process. I'm just now going to call this one 110. I've done that on purpose. I've just picked random numbers, but I've made sure they keep going higher and higher each time. And again, we go to motion effects. I'm now going to set this one to be a sticky top as well. Now, even though container 6 and 7 are not going to be like a sticky effect in a way, I just want them to scroll accordingly. I'm just going to give them a higher Z index. So we'll go with 120 and the last one will go for 130. So when we now view it, we get container 1 and container 2 and they're scrolling normally. You get to container 3 and it will stick. And container 4 now overlaps it. And then you get container 5 that will overlap it. Now 6 and 7 will overlap as well, but they kind of follow on one from one another, and that's because of the sticky effect. And it's really easy to stop the container 6 overlapping onto container 5. Go back to container 5 and do not make it sticky. You got to get your head around this right. 3 and 4 are sticky. 5 is still going to overlap, but 5 is no longer sticky to the top. So 3 and 4 are still sticky, 5 is not. Okay, and the Z indexing is still as it is. Let's just go back. You got container 1 and container 2. Container 3 then sticks. Okay, look, it sticks. And then container 4 overlaps. Then it sticks. Container 5 arrives and it is in effect still sticking the one that was previous, which is container 4. Container 5 arrives and then when you get to 6 and 7, look, it's not overlapping now. All right, so if you've gone and done too much sticky, you might go, well, it's still overlapping. Just take it off the one where you don't want it to follow on, if that makes sense. But it's really simple and easy to do with a bit of sticky to the top. I'm Imran Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.